people are too on fire, maybe to have really good conversation right now, but I wanted people to know that they are still part of a community. So the way that maybe they can do that is through just posting something and then being able to walk away. They don't have to talk to me, they don't have to talk to anyone else. They can just express themselves, feel better maybe, and then go on with their day. Most of the things on the walls are about community, about empowering each other, about love. That's what most of it is. I think it's beautiful.
I think it's important that we just have this dialogue, just express yourself. Say what you really feel. And I think that's the key. If people have the opportunity to do that, it's going to be a lot better.
I hope that people continue to find their voice. I hope that the people who aren't writers and aren't artists become writers and artists, because all that takes is just to use your voice. I don't want us to go back to the way that we were 2 to 3 weeks ago. You have to keep using your voice.